All right, Mississippi Republican Party here with Commissioner Posey. Sir, for the folks who missed your speech at home, what can you summarize it for us?
Well, this thing tried to hit a few points, high points, what the Public Service Commission is doing these days. We just passed a new energy efficiency bill, and I think that'll have an impact on ratepayers, really help them lower rates and try to educate them about some of the new technologies that's evolving in the utility industry. And of course, I also reported to folks that we're still constantly working on our do not call list and trying to find these telemarketers who bother folks at home, that sort of thing. And we've actually been able to find these folks over $100,000 in the last couple of years, and we feel like getting in their pocketbooks is a way to shut them down. We hadn't got where we want to be. We feel like we're making progress, and gave a little report on Kemper County and the progress that's going on there as far as building a new plant and the great economic impact that's had on this state and what we think the future holds for it. And also visited a little bit about with energy and some of the awards they've been winning as far as their service to the state of Mississippi and their ratepayers. And other than that, we're just here to enjoy the fair.
All right, great. Thanks so much, sir.
Thank you.